Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you signs and symptoms for a slow performing computer. Okay, let's start. First symptom is when you restart your computer, it takes some time to reopen it. So how to fix that? First is you need to go for this Windows icon and then simply right click and then go to Task Manager. Once you open your Task Manager, just simply expand it and go to Startup Apps. And here you need to identify those unwanted apps that you no longer needed in your computer. So please don't put a heavy load in your computer. Here you just have to identify those applications and change their status into disabled. Okay? Just have to make sure that this security healthy system tray is enabled because this will protect your computer from any viruses. Okay? Next is when you open your Google Chrome and let's say search for Instagram, it actually takes some time to load. Okay? So, how to fix that? First is you need to go to run by simply pressing Windows and R key together, then search for ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. And once you open your network connections, just simply select the network or the current network that you are connecting in your computer. Select that to mark and then do a right click and then go to properties and then go for or search for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Mark that by clicking and then go to properties. And there, you need to make sure that this use the following DNS server addresses is marked checked or turned on, and then type for 8888 under preferred DNS server, and here in alternate DNS server, type 8 or input 8, 4, and 4, and then just simply click on OK. So after that, you need to go back to Google Chrome and then once you are being redirected to your Google Chrome, just simply go to the three dots here at the upper right side of your screen and then scroll up to find settings. Once you're here at the settings, you need to go to the left side of your screen and go for privacy and security. And here under the privacy and security, you just have to delete browsing data because this will also cause log and consume space in your computer. Let's say if I clear this images and files in my browsing data, my space will free up to 144 MB. Okay? So the next step is you need to go for Windows and run. How? Just simply click Windows and R together and then type for clean mgr, all in lowercase. And then click on OK. And once you open this cleanup window, it will actually leads you to the files that needs to be deleted. So these are the junk files that is created by your system and not by you. Just have to mark this checked. And let's say if I delete this, my disk cleanup will free up to 3.7 gigabyte of disk space. So obviously it consumes a lot. So just have to click on OK to delete and then delete files. Then it will start on cleaning. Okay? So those are the symptoms as well as the ways on how to fix the slow performance of your computer. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.